claim to that because I'm the only one in Arkansas. But otherwise, their knowledge is no doubt superior to mine. And I consult with other folks all the time when it comes to the FOIA. So you should do the same. And you can contact me. My email and phone number are inside the pamphlet given out by the Attorney General. So, those are the basics of the FOIA request. Now let's talk about the most recent legislative session and the previous legislative session, both of which Joey alluded to. In the previous legislative session, there was a real attempt to undermine the Freedom of Information. And 2 or 3 bills come to mind most easily, often pushed by the municipal league. And I'll tell you about an interaction that I had with them regarding those bills in a moment. One bill was an attempt to allow state entities to charge for labor, for accumulating documents for FOIA requests. That's the end of the FOIA, folks. If that were passed, that's the end of the FOIA. Because the funny thing is, when folks are calculating their own time to do something that they don't want to do, those numbers get really high, really fast. Moreover, you pay for it. You pay for every government employee already. What do you mean pay for the labor? They're getting paychecks now, and you're paying those paychecks. So they don't need any more money to do their jobs. Remember that, and remember to tell your legislators that if these issues ever present themselves again. The second bill, that bill was killed. That bill had been suggested to come up in this past session, again by the Municipal League, and by, amongst others, the University of Arkansas. So the Municipal League came to a meeting that I was at, not from the FOIA Task Force, but the FOIA Commission. That's just an informal group, largely run by the Arkansas Press Association. And the Municipal League was there and said, well, you know, we had these couple of bills last term, and we don't know who was against them, but we want to talk about them. And I said, that was me. Because you need to let them know we're not going to be pushovers when it comes to the FOIA. They had one good bill, to be fair. They had a bill that dealt with confidential informants, you know, what some people call snitches, and it's kind of pejorative. So, confidential informants, and there was an issue that people could get the identity of confidential informants, and then it doesn't make it very confidential. Now it doesn't. So I thought that was a fair claim. And I supported them in the bill. I don't know if it actually passed. I don't know if you know.
It did.
It did pass?
It did pass.
Yeah. Makes perfect sense to me. I mean, if we're going to allow police to have confidential informants, and the word is going to mean anything, well, we need to make sure that they're kept confidential. So I'm not against modifying the FOIA, although I'm generally hesitant because you start poking holes in something, and it's going to sink, right? Even you're going to have unintended consequences. So it's really an issue we need to be concerned about. So that was the payment for hours. The second one was to extend the 3 days to 15 days. Now 15 days is not an enormous amount of time. But again, it's this attempt to constantly draw out the time, the effort to respond to FOIA requests. And the truth is, people like Joey, people like me, and virtually everyone who makes FOIA requests, when requested by the government entity for a little bit more time, they provide it. I can't say it's everyone. I can't say that there haven't been times in which government entities have been correct in saying, you know, it would really be more reasonable if we had more time. And the requester didn't say yes. But there's an escape hatch already in the law. And the Supreme Court has said, if it takes more than 3 days to actually do this, under any reasonable interpretation, we're not going to hold them to the 3 days. So, I was unwilling and remain unwilling to support a 15-day time frame, and I did tell the municipal league, well, you can do it in a fashion in which they attest that there's a certain amount of documents, they provide some documents up front, they disclose that they will be providing the additional documents in a certain period of time. Because what will happen if you have a 15-day rule is they're going to take 15 days and then they're going to say, no records. Or, we are subject to an exemption so we don't have to turn over records. That shouldn't take 15 days. So that's the problem. There is a lack of balance when they ask for these types of extensions in the law. So I didn't support that one. And the final one from the session before last that I did support was an effort to protect what's known as attorney-client privilege records. And that the Supreme Court many years ago said government attorneys don't have a special privilege like private attorneys do. Why? Because they work for you.
Sorry, I'm having trouble with the connection.